Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if your iPhone shows an older or generic name like iPhone or someone else's name when connecting to Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, AirDrop, Hotspot or iCloud, you can easily change it. In iPhone Settings 2026, updating your device name takes less than a minute, okay? So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to update your iPhone's device name in 2026 like a pro. So first thing first you have to do is to go to settings. So this is where device identity is managed. Now scroll down and tap general. Now go and tap about. So this section shows your iPhone's details. Now at the top tap name. Okay, so you will see your current device name. Okay, so enter the new device name. You can delete the old name, tap your new name, for example, iPhone 15 Pro, work iPhone, Ottoman's iPhone, or any name, for example, your name, Alex's iPhone or something, then tap done on the keyboard, okay? So confirm the name is updated, so the new name applies immediately to AirDrop, Bluetooth connections, personal hotspot, iCloud and Find Me, Wi-Fi networks, computer connections like Mac, Windows. Okay, so no restart required. Okay, so your iPhone name is visible when sharing hotspots, pairing Bluetooth devices, using AirDrop, connecting to a PC or Mac, and viewing devices in iCloud. So choose a name you recognize easily. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you guys in the next tutorial.